Social circle will make you better than a lot of other men that you meet. The fact of the matter is that you build out your lifestyle, and that incorporates a lot of different areas, where when people concentrate on just dating apps or just cold approach, they really struggle with the back end of their life. They get stuck with seeing the girl for the first time, but not being able to convert second or third. Seeing a girl, but not being able to get in a relationship with her. Not even being able to get the top level girls that they want. And so it comes down to a sheer fact that there are a lot of different areas in social circle that you have to have right, where in all the other ones, you don't. You don't have to have the back end. See, with social circle, you are connected with people that are quote unquote naturals. They are the top echelon of that city. We're talking they have the access, they have all the money, they have all the social connections, they have great logistics. And this is why it comes into what I talk about, the 7 pillars of status. They have all 7 pillars very, very high. And inevitably, you're able to connect with these people if you have these pillars high, whereas the other people do not. And they only have 1 or 2 areas that are really good. Their social skills are really good. Their ability to be able to kind of flow linguistically is really good, but then they struggle financially, they have no money, they might live with their parents. And so the back end, she becomes really attracted to you, but there's no substance in your life that keeps her there. And this is why when you're dealing with the most attractive women possible, and you're dealing with the top of the top guys that have their life sorted, you will find that all of these pillars really matter in the scope of things, because it becomes what you are known for, your value, your importance. The guys that do this, they don't even concentrate on social media. Guys that I teach in my private network, Social Life Mentoring, it's one of our core pillars. Social media is huge. Guys over here, don't even worry about finance. Yeah, I'll get a shitty job, but it'll allow me to approach all these girls. It's like the front end of everything we do is financial freedom and being able to have something that's sustainable, that keeps you being able to go and have access to these cool places that these other people don't have access to. Let's just take a pillar in the 7 pillars of status called social proof. That allows you to show to the world that you have friends that are also doing cool stuff. It means that you're a charismatic individual that has friends. Where over here, most of the people that they connect with are other guys that are in that industry, and they're kind of dorky, they're a little bit autistic, they ain't like cool or special. You can see as I'm building out the picture, there's this vast kind of contrast between the 2 areas. And this is why social circle makes you so much better as a man, because you have so many other things that are dialed in. How do we change this? If you're someone that's on this left-hand side, right-hand side, whether the video is flipped, how do you become someone like that? And it's starting to take your life from a childlike perspective of like, I love this hobby, this is all I want to do, all I want to do, you know, forget everything else, to more of a man view, which is there is a lot of areas that are cumulative into this one value number, or how attractive I am as a man. Where the childlike perspective thinks it's my opener, it's the way that I'm presenting myself. The social circle guy, I understand it's his lifestyle, it's what's attractive is the substance of who he is as a person and the lifestyle he lives. This guy, he thinks, oh, it's the way that my body position, it was the hand of God opener didn't work. And he doesn't think, well, maybe because I have no money, maybe because I live in a basement in my parents' house, and maybe because I don't have a car, and maybe because I don't have an Instagram, and maybe because I have no cool friends and they're all weird, and maybe because no other girls find me attractive and every girl I talk to is just I'm trying to hit on. Do you see the big picture I'm building? This is why this area is so important for you, because it's almost cultivating a life for you. This is what's attractive, not just the opener. Attractive is your lifestyle going in 24, 25, 26. This is what's attractive. You must focus on this area. Otherwise, you're going to be left behind with the guys that just don't get it. They will never get it, and they will never be cool and get access to the things that you'll be getting access to. The guys are like, oh, I want to run down in the malls. I want to chase all these girls down and I talk to them. Where a social circle guy goes, well, if I get invited or I buy a ticket to a fashion event, I'm surrounded by 200 to 300 models. That's going to be very beneficial for my social life. They think better, they think singular, and things that don't have a high ROI. These guys think, how can I double my output with spending less energy, less time, less investment? These guys, I just keep doubling down. Yeah, I can do 7 hours of cold approach. This guy thinks, okay, well, if I build out my social media, it's a 24-hour personality. It's getting girls attracted to me, whether I have to do any work or not. These guys are like, I gotta keep doing my day game and my night game and 7 nights a week. This guy doesn't even have to go out, and he's getting more more girls and having a cooler lifestyle, connecting with better guys than this guy, hopefully you see the bigger picture. It's very important you understand that you become a very well-rounded individual that is very attractive, because that gives you a higher status score that gets girls looking at you as more of a high value guy than the guy because his opener was good or his DHV was like, it doesn't matter. Building out your lifestyle, building yourself as a capable man makes you not only a valuable man, it makes you a very attractive man. And that's what you want to become. Understand that you should be starting to buy into this reality. And the next thing is that you should be watching this video to really understand why in the future your social media is really important, to understand why your lifestyle is important and how to capture that lifestyle. Because if you don't, then you're going to be left behind and you're also playing a different playbook that isn't what's going to come in the future of 25, 26, 27. So go do that. Sam here, check it out. If you need some help with this, click the link below. Join my program, my private network, Social Life Mentoring, and we'll be able to fast track this seamlessly for you. Arrivederci.